Beyond the work of Daryl and Greg Nichols, Chaos Cube will allow you to perform eye-popping magic that will have your friends convinced that you're a superhuman. You don't need to do any sleight of hands, and there's no memory work required. The specially gimme cube does all the hard work for you and lets you be the star of the show. First, you solve the cube layer by layer. Then, 2 layers at a time. And then, you solve the entire thing at once. And here's the thing, anyone can perform Chaos Cube. It's almost self-working. You don't even need to know how to solve the cube. Make order from Chaos. Get your Chaos Cube today.